Hey everybody, how is it going? Mr. Case here. Just wanted to say that I miss you guys. I hope you're doing good. Who would have thought that our spring break would be going on this long? Who knows when it's going to end? It's like the longest spring break in history. But regardless, I just hope you guys are doing good. I really do miss you. I really, really do. I wish I could be with you guys this week and next week and forever how long this is going to go. But I just want to let you guys know that I'm thinking about you and that I hope you're okay. And Mr. Lombard taught me how to do this cool little explain everything app thing. I'm pretty sure I can draw myself a mustache. Watch this. Hold on. Red? To a red? Okay, watch this. Hold still. Oh yeah. Brown isn't an option, or I would do brown, but there we go. That's a pretty nice mustache, yeah? Okay. Let's erase that. Also, I hope you guys don't forget who is the best president in history. Who's my boy? Okay, watch this. Abraham Lincoln. That's my boy right there. How dare you, John Wilkes Booth? I hate you. Okay, anyway. All right, that's all I got. But I hope you guys are having a good time at home. Need anything, let me know. And we'll see you soon, hopefully. Bye, guys.